Hello, and welcome back to English Listening Pod.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We are here to help you practice real, simple English in a fun way.
If you enjoy learning with us, please click like and subscribe. Your support helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, thank you so much. Today, we are talking about something very useful.
That's right. We are talking about daily life, the things we do every day. We will use easy English and simple sentences.
Perfect for practice. So, let's get started.
Emma, how are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I had a really nice morning.
Oh, what did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That is early for Saturday.
I know, but the sun was very bright and came through my window, so I got out of bed and made a big cup of coffee.
Coffee is important.
Very important. After that, I read my book for 30 minutes. It was quiet and peaceful. What about you? Did you sleep well?
Oh, yes. I slept very, very well. I woke up at 9.
9 o'clock? That's a long sleep.
It was wonderful. I even had a dream about pizza.
You dreamed about pizza?
Yes, a huge, delicious pizza with cheese and mushrooms. It was a happy dream.
You are so funny. Are you hungry now?
A little. Maybe later we can talk about food.
Good idea. Now, let's talk about daily life, our normal day. For me, a normal day starts early. Tell me about your morning routine. What do you do first?
First, my alarm clock rings. The sound is loud and terrible. I stop the alarm quickly. I really don't like the alarm sound.
Nobody likes the alarm clock sound. It is the worst sound in the world.
True. After that, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? Wow, that wakes you up fast.
Yes, it wakes me up completely. After that, I brush my teeth. Brushing teeth is very important to me.
Absolutely. Everyone should brush their teeth every morning.
After brushing, I get dressed. I choose my clothes, but sometimes it's hard. I look at my shirts and think, what should I wear today?
Not me. I wear the same thing every day. Jeans and a black t-shirt. Easy and simple.
Yes, you always wear a black t-shirt.
I have 7 black t-shirts, 1 for each day. I don't need to think about clothes.
That is smart. After dressing, I make breakfast. Usually I eat toast, fruit, and of course, coffee.
I eat cereal with milk. It's fast. If I have extra time, I make eggs. Do you leave your house for work?
Yes, I do. I leave my apartment at 8:15. I walk to the bus stop. It's only a 5-minute walk.
You take the bus every day?
Yes, I take the number 42 bus. Sometimes the bus is slow, so I listen to music while I wait.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Calm music. Sometimes I listen to podcasts, too. I like listening to people talk about history. It's interesting.
That sounds nice. I work from home, so after breakfast, I go to my desk. I sit down, turn on my computer, and start working. Do you have many meetings at work?
Yes, sometimes I have online meetings. I talk to my colleagues on the computer.
Colleagues?
Colleagues are the people you work with.
Ah, I see.
Yes, at my work, I have a meeting every Monday at 10 o'clock.
My work is different. I work in a small shop. I talk to customers all day. Do you like talking to customers?
Most of the time, yes. They are friendly. I help them find what they need. But sometimes they ask difficult questions.
Like what?
For example, where is the blue shirt with stars? But we do not have a blue shirt with stars.
Oh, no. What do you say?
I say, I'm sorry, we don't have that shirt, but we have a green shirt with flowers.
That is good. You are helpful.
Thank you.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1. I bring lunch from home.
What is in your lunch today?
Today, I have a sandwich, an apple, and a cookie.
I will make a salad. I usually eat lunch at my desk. It is not very nice. I should go outside.
Yes, you should. Sunlight is good for you.
After lunch, I work more. The afternoon is sometimes quiet.
For me, the afternoon is busy. I write many emails. So many emails.
I finish work at 5 o'clock. Then I go home. I am tired.
Me too. After work, I like to relax. I drink tea.
Yesterday, I cooked pasta. It was easy and fast.
Yes, it was delicious. Sometimes we cook together.
That is fun, but sometimes you talk too much and the food burns.
That happened one time only.
Okay. After dinner, we wash the dishes.
We take turns. I wash, you dry. Or you wash, I dry.
Then we have free time. In the evening, I like to read the news on my phone.
I like to call my family. My sister lives in another city. We talk every week.
That is nice. I sometimes play the guitar in the evening.
You play very well.
Not very well, but thank you.
Before I sleep, I always read a book. A real book, not my phone.
That is a good habit. I watch a little TV. Then I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and go to bed.
And you fall asleep immediately, in 2 minutes.
I am a good sleeper. You take a long time to sleep.
Yes, I think about my day. I think about tomorrow. My brain is busy.
You should count sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep.
I count pizzas. 1 pizza, 2 pizzas, 3 pizzas.
Let's talk about weekends. Is your weekend different?
Oh yes, very different. On Saturday, I wake up late. Maybe 9 o'clock or 10. No alarm clock.
No alarm clock. That is wonderful. Then what do you do?
I make a big breakfast. Pancakes, maybe.
I like to go to the market on Saturday morning. I buy fresh fruit and vegetables.
Do you go with friends?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes I go alone. I listen to music and walk slowly. I do not hurry.
On Saturday afternoon, I often clean my apartment.
Me too. We clean together. I clean the bathroom and you clean the kitchen.
And we listen to loud music. It makes cleaning fun.
What about exercise? Do you exercise?
I try. On Sunday morning, I sometimes go for a run. Not a long run, just a short run.
I prefer yoga. I do yoga at home. It helps me relax.
On Sunday, we often do something fun. Maybe we visit friends or see a movie.
Yes, last Sunday we had dinner with Tom and Anna.
That was fun. We talked for 3 hours.
Or sometimes we just stay at home. We read books or watch a film. It is quiet.
I like those quiet days too.
What about housework, the boring things?
Yes, washing clothes. I do laundry on Sunday. I put the clothes in the washing machine.
And you forget to take them out. I take the clothes out and hang them to dry.
Thank you. You are the best.
What about shopping for food?
We go to the supermarket every Friday after work.
We make a list. If we don't make a list, we forget things.
Yes, and sometimes we buy things we don't need, like chocolate.
We always need chocolate. Okay, that is true. Let's talk about the weather. Weather affects my day.
How?
If it rains, I feel a little sad. I stay inside and drink more tea.
If it rains, I take an umbrella, but I often forget my umbrella.
Yes, you do. If the sun is shining, I open all the windows. I feel happy.
Sunny days are good for walking. After work, I like to walk in the park.
Do you ever feel bored with your routine? The same thing every day?
Sometimes, yes. So I change small things. I take a different bus or eat something different for lunch.
Good idea. I sometimes work in a cafe for one afternoon. It is a nice change. Do you have any bad habits in your daily life?
I check my phone too much. It is a bad habit.
Me too. And sometimes I go to bed too late. I watch one video and then one more.
We should change that. Let's promise to sleep earlier.
Okay, promise.
What is the best part of your day?
The best part? Evening, after dinner, when we talk and there is no work.
For me, the best part is morning coffee. The first coffee is perfect.
What is the most difficult part of your day?
Getting out of bed. Always getting out of bed.
For me, it is starting work. The first email is difficult. After that, it is okay. Do you think our daily life is exciting?
Not exciting, but it is comfortable. It is happy. Simple things make a good life.
I agree. A good coffee, a good meal, time with you, that is a good day.
Let's repeat some important phrases for our friends.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner. But be careful, don't burn it.
I clean the house.
I clean the house.
On Saturday, I go to bed.
I go to bed. Good night.
And on weekends, I wake up late.
I wake up late. The best phrase.
Let's talk about some useful words from our conversation. Words we use every day.
Yes, good idea. Let's start with our first word. It is routine.
Routine. Routine. Can you say it with me, everyone? Routine.
A routine is the things you do every day, usually in the same order. It is like a plan for your day.
For example, my morning routine is wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast. Or my evening routine, cook dinner, wash dishes, read a book, go to bed.
Do you have a strict routine, Emma?
I try. My work routine is the same from 9 to 5, but my weekend routine is different.
Right. A routine can be for work, school, exercise, or anything you do regularly. Viewers, what is one part of your daily routine? Think about it.
Now, word number 2, colleagues. We said this before.
Colleagues. Colleagues. It is a little difficult to say.
Colleagues are the people you work with, not your school friends, but your work friends.
My friend Tom is a teacher. His colleagues are other teachers at school.
And my colleague, Sarah, sits next to me in the office, well, on the computer screen.
Another word for colleagues is coworkers. It means the same thing. You can say, I have lunch with my colleagues, or I have lunch with my coworkers.
Do you like your colleagues, Jack?
Yes, they're very nice and helpful. But I work in a shop alone, so I don't have colleagues.
Next, we have a very common word, customer.
Customer. Customer.
A customer is a person who buys something from a shop or a business.
In my shop, many customers come every day. I say, hello, how can I help you?
You are a customer when you go to a supermarket. You are a customer when you go to a cafe.
Can you be a customer online?
Yes, if you buy something on the internet, you are also a customer.
Viewers, are you a customer? When are you a customer?
Let's move to word 4. This is a nice word, relax.
Relax. RELAX.
To relax means to rest, to be calm, to not work, or to not worry.
After a long day, I want to relax on the sofa.
Some people relax by reading. Some people relax by walking. How do you relax, Jack?
I relax by listening to music. Sometimes doing nothing at all is the best way to relax.
Yes, it is important to relax every day.
That is true. Now, our last word for today is habit.
Habit. Habit. This is a very good word.
A habit is something you do often, almost without thinking. Habits can be good or bad.
A good habit is brushing your teeth 2 times every day, or drinking water in the morning.
A bad habit is checking your phone too much. That is my bad habit.
I have a bad habit too. I go to bed too late. It is not a good habit.
We try to change bad habits and make good habits. Do you have a good habit, Emma?
My good habit is making my bed every morning. It is a small thing, but it is a good start to the day.
That is a very good habit.
Let's repeat all the words we learned today. Are you ready?
Ready.
Word 1. Routine. I have a morning routine.
Routine. My routine is simple.
Word 2. Colleagues. I talk to my colleagues.
Colleagues. My colleagues are friendly.
Word 3. Customer. The customer buys bread.
Customer. I help the customer.
Word 4. Relax. I relax in the evening.
Relax. Reading helps me relax.
Word 5. Habit. It is a good habit.
Habit. I want to change that habit.
Perfect. Remember these words. They are very, very useful for talking about your daily life.
Try to use one new word this week. For example, you can say, my daily routine is, or I need to relax.
Great advice.
Now let's finish our conversation. We talked for a long time today.
Yes, but it was fun. Let's think about what we practiced today.
The topic was daily life. We talked about our routines from morning to night.
We used the simple present tense a lot. Verbs like wake up, eat, work, go, sleep.
Right. We say I wake up at 7, not I am waking up. This tense is for habits and things we do regularly.
We also talked about the differences between weekdays and weekends.
Yes, on weekdays we work, but on weekends we relax, we clean, and we see friends.
And we learned some important new words. Can you remember them?
Yes, the words are routine, colleagues, customer, relax, and habit.
Try to remember these 5 words and use them in your English practice.
Yes, they are very useful for talking about your daily life.
That is all for today's lesson. Keep practicing and have a good day.
Bye, everyone. Happy practicing and happy relaxing. The goal of today is to help you feel confident talking about your own day.
Yes, maybe you can describe your day to a friend, or you can write it in a journal.
Even simple sentences are perfect. For example, I get up. I drink coffee. I go to school. That is great English.
Exactly. Don't think you need long or perfect sentences. Short and clear is best.
Now it is your turn to practice. We always finish our lesson with a question of the day.
Today's question is, what is one thing you do every day?
It can be anything. Maybe every day I drink tea, or every day I walk my dog.
Or, every day I check my phone too many times. That is my answer.
Be honest. Please tell us in the comments below. We read every comment.
Seriously, we do. We love to see your answers. It makes us very happy.
And when you write your answer, you are practicing your English writing too. That is very good practice.
Also, if you have questions about today's lesson, you can ask in the comments. Maybe you do not understand a word.
We or other friendly learners can help you. This is a community.
Before we go, do you have any final advice, Jack?
Yes. My advice is listen to English a little every day. Even 5 minutes is good. Watch our videos, listen to a song, or watch a short film.
And don't be afraid to speak. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say, today is a good day. No one will hear you.
That is a great idea. I used to do that too.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. You are doing something wonderful for yourself.
Learning a language is a journey. Be patient and kind to yourself. We are here to help.
So, from both of us, thank you. Please like this video if it helped you.